Yeah. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see around here, everything is happening around here. A lot of smoke, a lot of meat. Women are there dishing out. Men are also there helping them to see that everything take place. This is starting of marathon. I call it marathon party. Just ordinary party, but marathon. They are preparing things. Everything is there. Come and eat and satisfy. Chop belly full. Everybody should chop belly full. Yeah. You see? Making the picture. The thing is moving right. Making the picture. You know? I'm picturing everybody. You see? Everybody is happy. This is a nice one, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. If African can use this kind of heart to be doing things, it will be good. You know what I mean? Okay, I will test it. Okay, I will do that. I will do that. I'm coming. Just give me a moment time, you know. So, as I'm covering the show up, come up. This is the venue. This is venue where we are doing it, you know. Yes. So for now, I will use my voice for now.